Stuck without Wi-Fi and your Android phone needs the internet? Let's unlock how to share your iPhone's internet connection with your Android device using a personal hotspot. First, grab your iPhone. On your iPhone, tap the Settings app. It's usually a gear icon. Scroll down and select Personal Hotspot. This is where the magic happens. Make sure Allow Others to Join is toggled on. This is crucial for sharing your internet. Often the personal hotspot is already on by default. Now, tap on Wi-Fi Password. This password protects your connection, so create a strong one that you can remember because you need to enter it on your Android device. Once done, write it down. Now, grab your Android device, tap on Settings and then Connections. Find and tap Wi-Fi. Look for your iPhone's hotspot name in the available networks. It'll likely be your iPhone's name followed by iPhone. Tap on it. Enter the Wi-Fi password you created on your iPhone. And that's it. Your Android phone should now be connected to your iPhone's internet. Now you can browse, stream, and do all the things requiring Wi-Fi, utilizing your iPhone's cellular data.